Every day we look down at our screens for hours, scrolling, working, studying, unaware that our posture is slowly collapsing. Shoulders round forward, neck bends down, spine compresses, and before we know it, we look shorter, weaker, and less confident. But the good news? You can fix your posture, naturally, permanently, and visibly. Let's rebuild your posture step by step, from the ground up. Bad posture isn't just about slouching. It's your body's way of saying, I'm tired of imbalance. We spend hours sitting, our chest tightens, and our back muscles weaken. Over time, this creates what's called the tech neck and rounded shoulder syndrome. To fix posture, first become aware of it. Stand against a wall. Your head, shoulders, and hips should touch the wall evenly. If your head hangs forward, that's where your correction starts. Posture isn't just about standing straight. It's about having the strength to hold it. Start with 3 powerful exercises. 1. Cobra pose. Strengthens your lower back. 2. Reverse snow angels. Targets upper back and shoulder blades. 3. Planks and Superman. Holds. Build your core stability. These activate the exact muscles that support your spine and pull your shoulders back. Do them for just 10 minutes a day, and within weeks, you'll stand taller without trying. No matter how much you stretch, if you spend the day sitting like this, show slouching position, it won't last. When sitting, keep your feet flat on the floor, your knees at 90 degrees, and your back straight against the chair. If you work on a computer, raise your screen to eye level. This one change reduces neck strain instantly. When standing, align your ears with your shoulders and keep your core engaged. It's not about being stiff, it's about being aware. The muscles that tighten your posture the most are your chest, hip flexors, and neck. Here's a short daily stretch routine you can follow. Chest opener. Stretch. Interlock your fingers behind your back and lift it gently. Neck mobility. Circles. Squat slow rotations, 5 each side. Cat-cow stretch. Flexes and extends your spine for balance. Child's pose. Relaxes and lengthens the back muscles. Do this morning and night. It'll not only fix your posture, but also make you feel lighter and more relaxed every day. Good posture isn't just physical, it's psychological. When you stand tall, your body tells your mind, I'm confident, I'm in control, and your mind responds back, with focus, calm, and strength. Fixing posture is like training your identity. A few minutes daily and it becomes who you are. Start small. Sit straight. Move with awareness. Your body deserves it. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who spends too much time slouching, and subscribe for more self-improvement and body transformation content. Because real growth starts with how you carry yourself.